Hello everyone! Good morning from Sicily, from Taormina. I want to show you the amazing breakfast in one of our favorite hotels in Sicily. And it's not only a sweet breakfast according to the Italian style, it's also a great breakfast for the Americans. So a lot of savory food for you. You have a lot of choices. And this hotel has another important feature. We are right in front of Isola Bella, the most beautiful beach in Taormina. And all the rooms, and of course also the breakfast room, has a beautiful, beautiful sea view. Let's discover the view. So book a tour of Sicily with us. We will help you enjoy a memorable experience.